Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Abhinash, and this is Abhinash and I'm working as a data analyst with MNC. So many of my subscribers were asking me for salary increment in Cognizant. That brother, can you please explain your increment in Cognizant? So many of my viewers were asking these questions repeatedly. So I thought already have made a video on salary increment in Cognizant after 3 years, but I thought that I would better make a dedicated video for salary increment when students join Cognizant as a freshers for the position of PAT. Designation is PAT, and after 1 year when the designation is converted into PA, programmer analyst. So what is the difference in salary in hand? So I thought I would better make a detailed video on this. So when you join Cognizant as a designation of PAT, programmer analyst trainee, so at that time you can expect in hand salary of around 26,000 rupees per month. Actually earlier it was around 28,000 per month because it was included of your internet allowances because of work from home. But from this year what happens, Cognizant has cancelled work from home internet bonuses, so you can expect in hand around of 26,000 because you can payslip which I got from one of my subscribers. So I am attaching a payslip, and this is a very recent payslip. Okay, so you can see that the basic pay is around 9,500, and on the basis pay only some percentage are given for house rent and convenience and all. So you can see that the house rent allowance for a programmer analyst trainee is 6,300, and apart from that convenience allowance, medical allowance, so total gross pay is around 29,999. On this you have to pay a PF provident fund of rupees 1,800, which is considered as a deduction, and profession tax of rupees 50. So around 1,950 is your deduction. So in your net hand it's around 28,049, because this is the payslip of employee of previous month, because in previous month internet allowances was added. So you can expect an in hand of around 26,000 lump sum for the coming forward months. Okay, now just after a year when you are default promoted to programmer analyst, there is a slight changes in your salary increment. Like your basic pay, which was around 9,500, will get increased to 11,925, and apart from this, as basic pay is increased, your HRA and other allowances will also increase automatically. So you can expect a lump sum of 34,062, and this 34,062 is included of your work from home bonus of internet bill. Okay, so after deductions of profession tax and provident fund of around 1,950, you can expect a lump sum of 29,000 something to 30,000 something in the middle of that, because earlier employees in Cognizant used to get work from home internet allowances, which was around 2,000 rupees, but from coming month it will not be included. So from coming month the salary will like little bit decreased as compared. So this is the salary in Cognizant after a year. So if you want a detailed video on after 3 and 5 years salary increment in Cognizant, please do comment in the video. I will try to make a dedicated video in this topic. Apart from that, I have not included a bonus of 22,500 rupees, which will be given to programmer analyst trainee as well as programmer analyst once a year in the month of March. So it was excluded, so don't forget that. So a total lump sum of amount in hand per month, you can expect 29,000 to 31,000 in the middle of that after 1 year in Cognizant. So if you are watching the video till now, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and do share with all your friends who are going to join Cognizant as a freshers, and we will meet very soon with new video, new topics. So till then, bye bye, take care of yourself, bye. Fearless.